It began as a whisper, a dream of exploration. In 1977, humanity launched two remarkable emissaries into the vast, dark expanse, the Voyager spacecraft. Their mission, to see what no one had seen and to carry a message from Earth, a golden record, etched with the sounds and images of our world. The Voyagers were built for a quick look at Jupiter and Saturn, but they kept going, capturing images that changed our dreams. Now, they are our most distant explorers, venturing where the sun is just another star. Today they are somewhere else entirely, beyond the solar system in interstellar space. The whispers they send are no longer just about discovery, they are the raw sounds of the universe. The universe is speaking, and Voyager is listening. The Voyager mission was born from a rare celestial alignment, a cosmic coincidence that happens once every 176 years. Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune lined up, allowing a single spacecraft to visit them all using gravity assists. NASA seized the opportunity, building two identical spacecraft, Voyager 1 and Voyager 2. Equipped with cameras, spectrometers, and nuclear batteries, they were designed to think for themselves as they ventured farther from the sun. The journey was a stunning success. Voyager revealed Jupiter's Great Red Spot as a massive storm, discovered volcanoes on Io, and captured Saturn's intricate rings. Voyager 2 continued alone, giving us our first close-up look at Uranus and Neptune. Worlds of tilted axes, faint rings, and supersonic winds. Each encounter rewrote our understanding of the solar system. The grand tour was just the beginning. With the planets behind them, the spacecraft were still healthy. NASA gave them a new goal, the Voyager Interstellar mission. Their new destination, the boundary where the sun's influence ends and interstellar space begins. The Voyagers became pioneers, charting the unknown. Their discoveries would change how we see our place in the cosmos. They were built to be autonomous, to think for themselves when the light travel time from Earth became too long for real-time commands. They were our robotic pioneers sent to chart the unknown territories of our own celestial backyard. The journey was a stunning success. Imagine the sun as a giant star breathing outward, sending a stream of charged particles, the solar wind, at 1,000,000 miles per hour. This wind creates a vast bubble around our solar system, the heliosphere, our cosmic neighborhood and shield. But the bubble has an edge, the heliopause. For years, Voyager 1 raced toward this invisible frontier. In 2012, its instruments detected a sudden drop in solar particles and a spike in cosmic rays. Voyager had crossed the heliopause, a monumental moment in human history. For the first time, a human-made object was traveling through the space between the stars. Voyager 2 followed in 2018, confirming the heliosphere isn't a perfect sphere but a dynamic, warped boundary. The crossing was sharp and sudden, not gradual as expected. The data revealed a turbulent, churning frontier where the sun's breath meets the interstellar wind. It's a cosmic shoreline, where two environments collide. As Voyager traveled deeper, the data grew stranger. The whispers from the void told a story both fascinating and a little frightening. The sun's protective sphere ends here, beyond lies the open galaxy. The heliopause is not a calm line, but a place of turbulence and change. Voyager's crossing redefined our understanding of the solar system's edge. The data was sharp and sudden. It suggested the boundary is much more defined than models had predicted. It's a place of turbulence and change. A place where two different environments of the galaxy collide. The sun's breath meets the interstellar wind. It's a cosmic shoreline, where the waves of our solar system crash against the ocean of the galaxy. And as Voyager traveled deeper into this new ocean, the data it sent back became even stranger. The whispers from the void began to tell a story that was both fascinating and a little frightening. The universe is rarely so simple. Once Voyager 1 crossed into interstellar space, we expected silence. Instead, its instruments detected a persistent low-frequency hum, the sound of interstellar plasma. This thin, electrified gas fills the space between stars. Voyager's plasma wave system picked up a steady vibration, revealing the void is alive with a cosmic drone. For the first time, we measured the density of the interstellar medium directly, and it was denser than expected. This hum is the background music of the galaxy, the pulse of the Milky Way. Occasionally the hum is interrupted by powerful bursts, shockwaves from solar storms that travel all the way to the edge of the heliosphere. When they hit the interstellar plasma, they make it ring like a bell. These are the tsunamis of space, and Voyager is riding them. The energy involved is immense, a reminder of the cosmos's power. Interstellar space is not a placid lake, but a turbulent ocean. Voyager is our scout on the front lines reporting on this cosmic battlefield. The galaxy is far more violent and active than we ever knew. The void is not empty and silent after all. It is alive with a strange cosmic drone. This discovery was profound. For the first time, we were directly measuring the density of the interstellar medium. One of Voyager's most alarming discoveries is the surge in cosmic rays, tiny atomic particles accelerated to near light speed by violent cosmic events. Inside the heliosphere, the sun's magnetic field shields us from most of these. But beyond the boundary, Voyager found a hurricane of radiation. This is a fundamental barrier to interstellar travel. Cosmic rays can shred electronics and DNA. Just before crossing, Voyager detected a region where magnetic fields piled up, forming a chaotic, compressed buffer zone, a wall of fire. Here, particles from inside and outside the solar system collide in a cosmic traffic jam. Understanding this boundary is crucial. It's the skin of our solar system, dictating how we interact with the galaxy. Voyager's data reveals just how violent and complex that interaction is. Amid all the noise, Voyager also found a profound silence, a magnetic mystery. Scientists expected the galactic magnetic field to shift as Voyager entered interstellar space, but the field remained aligned with the sun's, as if Voyager dragged a piece of our star's influence with it. This challenges our understanding of how a star's magnetic field interacts with the galaxies. The silence is deafening, a gap in our knowledge. The magnetic field shapes the galaxy, guides cosmic rays, and influences star formation. Voyager's data tells us our theories are incomplete. The universe is not obligated to make sense to us. In 1990, at Carl Sagan's request, Voyager 1 turned back and photographed Earth, a tiny speck, the pale blue dot. All our triumphs and tragedies, our entire history, play out on that mote of dust suspended in a sunbeam. Voyager's terrifying data gives new meaning to that image. Beyond our sunbeam lies a cosmic storm, radiation, plasma waves, turbulent magnetic fields. The heliosphere is our fragile shelter. We live in a calm oasis in a violent galaxy. Voyager's discoveries highlight our vulnerability and the preciousness of our world. The conditions for life are rare. The norm is the cold, irradiated void Voyager now explores. This knowledge should inspire us to protect our planet. Voyager's mission transforms the cosmos from a static backdrop into a dynamic, sometimes dangerous arena. We are connected to the galaxy's grand, violent cycles. Understanding these connections is a matter of survival. Voyager's data is the first chapter in our guide to the wider cosmic neighborhood. The Voyager spacecraft are now old, running on dwindling power. Soon their instruments will fall silent, and our sentinels will become silent ghosts drifting through the Milky Way. But their journey continues. They are now permanent citizens of the galaxy. Each carries the golden record, a time capsule of Earth's sounds, music, and greetings. Voyager's legacy is twofold: the science that reshaped our understanding and the inspiration to explore. The puzzles it leaves will fuel inquiry for decades. Voyager blazed a trail for future explorers. It represents the best of humanity: curiosity, ingenuity, hope. As they drift through the void, they carry a part of us with them. They are our silent ambassadors to the stars, a testament to our first steps into the cosmic ocean.